The TVS Apache Rtr 310 has a 312.12 cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine. It produces 35.6 PS at 9,700 revolutions per minute and 28.7 Newton meters at 6,650 revolutions per minute. The Rtr 310 has a 5-inch TFT cluster with multi-way connectivity. Here are some other specifications for the Rtr 310. Top speed, 160 km transmission, 6-speed manual fuel tank capacity, 11.0 L curb weight, 170 kg front brake type, disc pedal type with ABS engine type, 4-stroke, 4-valve, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, reverse inclined. Expected price, 2.50 lakh rupees, ex-showroom. The Rtr 310 has the same engine as the RR 310. The RR 310 has a 312.2 cc DOHC single-cylinder engine that produces 34 horsepower at 9,700 revolutions per minute